Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to screencast or screen mirror your Android phone to your macOS. You don't need to install any third-party app or utility on your Android phone, but you need one app on your macOS, and it's completely free. You don't need to pay a single dime. The good thing is you can click using your mouse. You can use your mouse to drag any app or to perform any action. If you are screen recording or creating professional content like mine, then it's so much important to have these options with the mouse click so that it's more visible. Let's learn step by step how. First of all, on your Android phone, go to Setting and locate this system. It could be on your phone under About section. I'm using an old phone just to test, so it's there. You need to locate the exact file at exact location. That might be at a different place in your case. Then go to About Phone, and here is your builder number. Tap on this builder number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you are a developer. After becoming a developer, you need to do another extra setting. Go one step back and scroll down. You will see this option, Developer Options. Click on that. First of all, turn this one on, Developer Option. Then, if you want to stay awake during the process, you can click on this one. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Scroll down and you see USB debugging. This is important. Turn it on, and as a developer, you can screencast with this option. So make sure one important thing that your phone is connected via USB cable with your MacBook or using a docking station. Without that method, it will not work. It can somehow also work if you are on the same network on your phone and on your macOS. But I'm testing USB option. So USB debugging is currently switched on. Scroll down and you will see this option here. Select USB configuration. And here there are multiple options. If you see only file transfer, then you can select file transfer, or in my case there are 6 options, so I gotta choose media transfer protocol. Once this is done, then come back to your MacBook and open any browser and type here scrcpy.org. This is the website. And here go to download, scroll down and download for macOS. It's not just for macOS, it works on Linux and Windows as well. So we are talking about macOS. After downloading, you will see this zip file. I unzip this file, and in this file you will see these 5 different icons and files. This is the last one. Click on that, double click, and it will open terminal command like this, and it will immediately screencast your phone to your macOS, and now you can perform all your actions here on macOS. Look, now I clicked 2 times, so I'm screencasting my phone 2 times to my macOS. If I click once more, now see, it's the 3rd time I'm screencasting my Android phone to my macOS. Look, if I go there, it will go left and right on all your phones that are shown here in the screencast. So now you don't need to pay anything to screencast your phone. Close 2 of them and use one of them. It's quite easy, right? If you learned something new today, then hit that subscribe and like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.